Okay, so now we'll talk about Dataproc and how it is used in GCP or Google Cloud Platform for running different applications or different tools, right? So, what is Dataproc? So, Dataproc is a cloud-based service provided by GCP for running Apache Spark and Apache Hadoop clusters. It is actually fully managed and highly scalable platform designed for processing and analyzing large dataset or big data using popular open source big data frameworks, right? It can actually manage clusters. It can actually integrate with GCP services like BigQuery and all. It can actually auto scale itself for big data, and it can customize and configure the different clusters by itself. It can also give you monitoring and logging dashboards from where you can actually monitor how the cluster is performing, which you have created. Now, the two terms which I have just now told you in this definition was Apache Spark and Apache Hadoop. So, what is Apache Spark and what is Apache Hadoop? We'll discuss these two terms in depth in the future videos or in future tutorials, but let's take a small definition or small glimpse of what are or what is Apache Spark or Apache Hadoop. Apache Spark is an open source distributed computing system that provides a fast and general purpose cluster computing framework for big data processing, right? It is commonly associated with Apache Hadoop, and it is designed for speed and ease of use, and it actually supports a variety of programming languages like Java, R, or Scala, and majorly Python. Now, what is Apache Hadoop? It is also an open source framework but for distributed storage and processing of large data sets. It is designed to handle data in fault tolerant, and scalable manner across a cluster of commodity hardware. So we'll discuss these two terms in the further videos, and I hope you would have got a small glimpse of what is Dataproc and what we are going to learn in this tutorial.